Consumers, producers, and efficiency of the market. In this lecture, we are going to go ahead and look at the following questions. We'll understand what is consumer surplus and how consumer surplus can be derived from the demand curve. Very important. What is producer surplus and how producer surplus can be derived from the supply curve. We'll also try and understand how equilibrium is attained in the market. We'll see what is an equilibrium when there is inefficiency in the market. And we'll also try and introduce an important word in this lecture, which is known as the deadweight loss, which usually exists whenever there is going to be inefficiency in the market. So three important concepts that we are looking at in this lecture: consumer surplus, producer surplus, efficiency and equilibrium, inefficiency and deadweight loss.